Spring butterflies. To make these spring butterflies, you're going to need paper towel or coffee filters, clips to hold the butterfly together, markers to do the coloring, and water to make the magic happen. What you don't need is a cat. Pickle decided to jump up on the table to help out, but for now we're going to move him back down to the floor so we can get started. For my example, I'm using half of a sheet of paper towel. If you would like it to be bigger, you can use a full sheet. The first thing you're going to do is start to color your sheet of paper, whether it's dots or squiggles, or maybe you want to do some shapes. We are trying to use markers for this project so that when we add the water, the magic will happen. We'll see if this pen has any magic in it, or maybe it'll stay just the same. Let's maybe try some triangles, or some squares, or some circles. When you're finished coloring, we're going to secure something around the middle of the paper towel. This is just an elastic band that I saved from my last trip to the grocery store. Once you're happy with your butterfly, you can use a spray bottle to start to add water. You can also dip your project into a container with water in it. If you're going to make more than one butterfly, I recommend coloring the paper towels first and then proceeding with the water second. A paper clip would also work well to create the butterfly. So would a chip clip or a bag clip. Turquoise is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Maybe you should color your butterfly with your favorite colors. You could also use an old bobby pin or a hair clip to create your butterfly. If you are impatient, like I sometimes can be, try to use less water so that your butterfly will dry more quickly. Since we know that paper towel is at a premium right now, maybe you could use a coffee filter instead. I don't drink coffee, so I don't value them as much as you might. Perhaps the paper towel is the better choice in your house. If you are going to use a coffee filter, I started by cutting part way into the coffee filter on opposite sides. That way when I go to bunch it up later, it will be easier to gather. If you don't have access to paper towel or coffee filters, any type of paper that will absorb water and then dry out should work fine for this project. Ribbon would also work to tie up the butterfly. Just wrap it around the middle of the coffee filter and tie a knot. In a few hours, your butterflies will be dry. If you want to hang them and don't have any string, dental floss can be a good alternative. Just thread your string through the loop at the top of the butterfly, tie it in a knot, and they are ready for a window. Maybe put them at the front of the house to spread some joy in your neighborhood. Thank you for doing this spring craft with me. Stay home and stay safe. Bye for now.